My lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. My people, you see when you are too kind, compassionate, and show too much empathy, people tend to use your kindness for weakness 3/4 of the time. I get a story from a lady from Atlanta, Georgia. This woman is 44 years old, right? She meet a man from Kingston, Jamaica on Instagram where them just attack and them attack for over 2 years. And this woman have never seen the man yet. She has never been to Jamaica to visit the man because every time if go the man keep putting off in the second year when everything will link up, and she sent so much money back and forth to this man because of the circumstances where this man claims him I got you. Only if she find out say she was only being tricked and being used. My people, we are going to jump down into the story right now. So, me get a story, my people. This lady, Atlanta, Georgia, right? 44 years old. She meet this man upon Instagram, and how she ended up meet the man send a message to her, right? But it come like the man is friend with one of her friends on Instagram. And the fact that the woman say she have a mutual friend there where this a person is friends with that the person that in her friend thing, right? But the person where she know she meet that person they from in America, and it come like that man you know a Jamaica familiar with it and go through that person your friend list and book up the woman and start DM the woman. Them start talk and message DM, right? Until it take time, transpire, phone number change and everything. For the first year, nothing happened. The woman never have no plan to go to Jamaica. Not like that. It was just merely taking the relationship a little bit slow. But in the first year, same way, the man come up with certain things will make the woman get sorry for him. Because the man say him have 2 kids, which him do have 2 kids. And the problem is, the 2 kids, their mother pass away. And the man make the woman know say all of the 2 pitney them depend him alone. Because when the mother passed away, the son was 6 years old and the daughter was 11. And now it's like him say the daughter are 15 and the son are 10. So the mother passed off when they were young. But where the story twist is, him tell the woman say that are him responsible for the 2 pitney them right through when that is a big lie. The house where the man live is a house where him and him baby mother build up and everything because the baby mother family then kind of depend on the alright side. And since the baby mother passed away, the family has been playing almost 80% of the role in the kids' their life. So this man is not short of money for nothing. Him not feel for nothing because the grandmother and the grandfather and the auntie them and whoever play a big role in the 2 kids' them life. Being that him is a man and like the people them fully live with him, them back and forth the family them. Cause a family will check for them niece and nephew and the grandpitney. You understand me I say? Anyway, my people, this woman was coming out of a marriage. She's been living in Atlanta, Georgia for over 10 years, right? She was married for 5 years, 2 years separated, and the following 3 years, she has been divorced. So now she decides, well, why not take a chance then and try out something? Because she has been single for over 3 years because of her marriage. Because she and her husband decided that this is not working out. And whatever. And she have 3 grown kids. One of her child is 27. One is 22 and one is 18. And that 18-year-old is in college now. So it's basically a free woman. So you know she have the time now where she can try one little boyfriend then. You know me, I say she can try a little boyfriend. So this is why the woman even take the move. Bearing in mind, she always say she hear about Jamaica man this and Jamaica man that. But when she look at the fact that the man was a single father based on what the man a tell her, you know, Say him a did the picking them on him own. More time have left them with people and run little taxi and this and that to make a money. All manner evil. When, as me tell you no, him baby mother family is there for the kids them almost 100%. This man, if he don't want to spend no money upon them, the grandmother, grandfather, and auntie and uncle then did it. Because as me said, the baby mother was coming from a family who not too feel for nothing, but she just pass off early and left her two pitney them. And this a man here a play for him father role. Anyway, my people, it go on and on and on. 1 year run off, they been talking back and forth on the phone. Going back and forth. Relationship sweet over the phone. This man here tell her everything what she want to hear. You understand? You know, you know. Say enough man have the golden tongue, you know. Especially if it's some woman when you really fully know about her, say, a Jamaican man, no used to them the sweet talk there. Because when another nation man I go tell you, say, oh, you're looking beautiful. Jamaican man nah left it did so. Jamaican man a make you know say you're beautiful, and if them ever get you, them done with woman for the rest of them life or just you alone. Them nah left it there so they can write a book pan where them want tell you pan just that the one topic of you being beautiful. Right? So you see if some other woman if them not used to them thing ya, them a go hard to stand up on them feet. Same way. Anyway, argument sweet, but the woman feel compelled to help out this man as a single father with a daughter who would be 15-year-old and a son who is 10-year-old. And him respect the man for that the man stand up to him responsibility as a single father and a do him thing. So every time the man claim to say him fall short and him don't know him go, the woman feel like she have to do it because she's a mother as well. She have 2 daughters and 1 son. She have a daughter we are 27, a son we are 22, and another daughter we are 18-year-old in a college. The woman have. So the woman understand about kids. And if you see a man stand up to him responsibility like that, according to what the man has said. If you see a man stand up to him responsibility like that, and take it on and deal with him 2 kids them by himself because the mother pass off. The woman respect that. And anything where the man ball and say him want, the woman trying best to do as best as he can to help out the man. Right? The first year run off, no plan for she go Jamaica go visit him or nothing and them something there. The second year come now, me people. And you know now the asking turn up because the woman invested in this relationship now. And the woman was in her alright job and was okay. Right? In America. She was pretty much okay. So she have a few shillings for spare. You understand me? I say, she come out her divorce, them do them for do, them sell up, or them for sell up, because they won't build a life together and sitting. So everybody get them split, and she have a little chupans, the man get film little chupans and gone. So the woman have a little thing for spare. You understand me? I say, but this man I realize now, he find one gold mine now when he can dig out, him have to just keep mining. You understand? But when you reach the second year now, and the woman say it's time now for them meet each other and link up on Jamaica, and the woman say yes, them need to plan a holiday and something. Every time when the woman plan a holiday, it is never good enough. When plan saying they want to carry the kids them go visit them people, yeah. In a them time there, and member say this a time yeah, when the school I go out, and one heap of different something, and him don't know yet if him ready for care no stranger yet around the kids them yet, and him don't know if him want left them pan them own, because one heap of something. There is always an excuse when the woman start plan. So the woman start say no sir, but within this time, the woman, by talking to the man, the woman automatically did send her friends now with the man, sister them, and them little sitting there, because the man have sister and brother and them little thing there. So you know because say you're there with that person, yeah, you get a friend request for that one day, you accept because I'm brother, you get one friend one day, you accept because I'm sister. But there was this particular sister, right, who was a woman in our church when I mix up in a bangarang. So she and the sister they click. You get me? But them clicking away with them and not really nothing for chat about no brother and them thing. They them just talk and every now and then. And she in turn to, when she in her spot, the woman you can bail her out. But the sister you never have no ill will. She not have no intentions. She genuinely like her brother girlfriend. But them just no meet it and the sister excited to meet her. But the sister now to dive down in the brother business. The sister now asks what the brother tell her and them something. They them just attack normal say, well, I'm a brother woman. Right? Boom. Out of everything where this man tell the woman and keep putting off the woman, putting off the woman. No, from coming to Jamaica. People, this are after, you know, me I tell you say, the woman a show him with things from the first year, you know. How barrel send and send whole heap of things for the kids them because remember, is a single man this way they on him own with him two pitney them. One girl pitney we are 15 and one boy we are 10 so the woman understand. So the woman buy up things and send him and make weight little light upon the man. Because this not easy for no man at all. And he tell us he have a mad respect for the man, even making love the man more. Because him see that this man here is standing up to his responsibilities and not run from it like most men that do. People, when it reach the second year and as me say, the woman still a do what she do. Send money, do this, send that, send phone, this, that. I do everything for help out the man. Any problem a man have, the woman is right there. But all along, I be a lie this man I tell the woman. All along, I use this money, I use the woman and I wrench out and I drill out every money out of her when can get. All along, the kids them well okay. The only thing him probably tell the woman that is true is that him baby mother pass off it true and left the two pitney them. But the two pitney them not just left pan him. As me tell you say, them two pitney the family alright. The grandmother alright. The grandfather alright. Them no short and not at all. You understand? I don't know how it go already when we know have a grandparents where them know say them pitney pass off and left little pitney back at them. They feel like a them have to step up most. You know, but them not feel like them want to take over thing from the man. Everything balanced. The pitney them spend whole part time with the father, them spend whole part time with them family. Anyway, the second year now when this woman start job say something no right, man. Something can't right because to where our relationship is. I know we sweet, I know we nice. Me think the moment just say me come to Jamaica, you say come on morning. No. This man here don't want the woman to come straight away. Him always have an excuse. If I know about the pitney them, if I know about this, if I know about that, there is never a right time. So the woman has said no. Something don't seem right here. Because the level that we are at, you should be begging me to come and see you. You know? Fine. The sister know where she and her mesh good. When me tell her say in our church and them something there. She decide now so she go open up to the sister because, you know, she can't understand, she can't comprehend how she can be so much in love and this guy so much in love with her and him don't want to see her. There's just always something. So the intention for her now was to open up for the sister and see if the sister could have step up and just deal with the kids them while she's in Jamaica. If you take little time away, give the man little time and she can fill in. You understand, people? You see when she start open up to the sister now, this is the first time now the sister really have a deep dive down in her brother relationship business. Can I tell you say that sister you're not in a that. Them just talk regular when she talk to her brother woman. Fine. So when she start open up to the sister was so shocked knowing how good this a woman here treat the brother and treat the brother kids them. And even treat she too. And the rest of family member them. And when the woman start tell the sister say, oh, the brother say everything left on him and him is the uncle. The sister say, no. No. My brother don't have to give those kids anything if he don't want to. Because their family is well alright. The grandparents, they make sure say everything alright. My brother don't pay rent. My brother don't pay nothing like that because the house where them live are where him and him baby mother bill and not him still in the house. My brother don't have no expense more than light and water and he go car insurance him a pay for car. So what kind of upon him own him a talk about do this and do that? And he must say, even tell me that this and that he can't get any chance and he don't want to live. He said, no, because if he want to leave the kids them, the grandmother them ready to take them anytime because him spend half of the time with the kids them and the kids them spend half the other time with the other family them. So him always have time. So the woman said, really? I tell him this time, him blow away everything. No, the sister break down everything and say a lie, Mattel. Because the sister wasn't in all of that. Some people probably look and say probably the sister shouldn't this. But no, yes, when you're a person, mesh good. And you know is a real kind-hearted person, a compassionate person, a person will look out for other people and not just care about themselves. Cares not a who, brother or sister or whoever. You have to be real to that person because you realize that that person is being used. And a lot of family members will jump on the bandwagon and follow and use that they smart, but everybody know the same thing. And the sister lay down everything on the table and make this woman know say no. Nothing no go so. I don't know what he been telling you, but it come like he just feeding you with one bag of lies. People, you see when the woman get back on the phone and finally confront back this man, finally confront him and that tears and bawling because the woman was so invested in this man. Because as me tell you now, she was married before. She was married. She got through 5 years of married. 2 years being separated and the following 3 years she has been divorced. So she has been there and done it. And she got through all of them things with the man and make him know everything about her life. And we see what this man had do to her, knowing everything. She was in tears. She was broken. She felt betrayed. She felt deceived. She felt cheap like she don't know nobody. She feel like a big old idiot. She couldn't believe because nobody at all couldn't even tell her, said this man here wasn't the man. This man here wasn't a true example of a father and a real man. Just what she wanted for her life, people. It turned out that this man here is nothing but a big old liar, a deceiver, and a user, and a scammer, me people. And him help and use the pitney them in the mid-side. Use the pitney them as a tool in the mid-side, me people. Me people, the woman say, she was so hurt that after that conversation with him and him on the phone, when she done cry and bawl and express herself for her disappointment and how she feel, used, betrayed and everything, the woman say, after that, him deleting from all his social media platform them and block him, but she kept communication with the sister. And all him a try to go through the sister now to get back to the woman. The woman said she was done with him. The only person she exchanged word or anything with was that sister. And because she knew that the sister was nothing like her brother. You understand me, I say, me people? The woman say she don't even know if she'll ever try after another relationship again. And this is what me want to say on the top of that. Men, sometimes we as man break some woman, make another good man out they don't have a chance. Because that woman have so much love to give and so much affection. But you know what? She's so scared. And she hold it all back because of what she has been through with some man who no have nothing about them. Some man who no careful who no do out there because who no can just make scar a woman for life and prevent her from getting in any other relationship or even prevent a good man from end up with a good woman. Believe when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man, you don't have to ask nobody nothing. And nobody not have to tell you nothing. Because of 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.